हमारे साथ 2 गेस्ट हैं. We have 2 guests. He is from Costa Rica, Husey, and Vanessa is from Canada. So, Vanessa, tell us something about this Switzerland and your experience here in Interlaken.
It's amazing. I got here, so I just decided I wanted to go to Switzerland, and I was like, where am I gonna go? And I heard about Interlaken, but it was really expensive to get here. Then I was like, no. I was like, oh my god, I really want to go. And then I kept on looking online, and then I was like, oh, I found a really good price. So I booked it literally yesterday. Before I was gonna go to Zurich or Bern, and I was like, no, I need to come here. And it's 100 times more than what I expected. It's literally the most beautiful place on earth. Oh, sorry, that I've ever been to. It's fantastic. I can't even describe it.
Yeah, Bhajan, yahi to baat hai. This is the thing I'm telling you, because I came here and I was like, I watched in movies, in videos, this place,
Yeah.
and in Switzerland in general. But when I came here, I said, wow, what a place it is. Like, everywhere you go and you see, just you can't believe your eyes.
Yeah,
What do you just see?
You're like, did I wake up this morning? 'Cause I
Yeah.
feel like I'm still dreaming.
Yeah.
Stunning.
So yeah, no words and to explain this beauty. And Husey, please tell us, my friend, he is from Costa Rica, South America. Great, totally a new world, South America. Tell us a little bit about your country and how is your experience in Europe and here in Switzerland.
Yeah, well, it's really different. I was looking forward to come and see the mountains because we have beautiful mountains in Costa Rica. But it's completely different. It's so tropical and it's warm, and here, I mean, everywhere you look, you're just in awe with all that, with all this beauty. I mean, it's so abundant, so beautiful, and even if it's a little bit cloudy right now or foggy, I still love it. I love it. Early in the morning it was a little bit clear, and the fog was going through the trees. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Yeah. अब इन लोगों की राय आपने जान ली, their opinion, so that means you should definitely come here. और ये यहाँ पे लेक है. What is the name? See, what is the name of this lake? Brienz. इस लेक का नाम है ब्रेन्स, और एक और लेक है उसका नाम है तुन. तो ये 2 बड़े लेक्स है यहाँ पे इंटरलेकन के अंदर. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से 3 दिन के लिए आना चाहिए कम से कम आपको. तो 3 दिन में ये कि आप दोनों लेक्स भी कर सकते हैं, टॉप पे भी जा सकते हैं. वो सामने जगह है, देखें वो वाली, उसकी टॉप पे आप जाएंगे तो पूरा शहर आपको नज़र आएगा. तो हम तो बस इधर ही आए हैं, वो पब्लिक बस लेके, और फ्री थी हमारे लिए, तो हमारे तो इतने पैसे खर्च नहीं हो रहे और मज़ा भी बहुत आ रहा है. लेकिन मौसम ज़रा सा ख़राब है आज, क्योंकि अभी फिर बारिश हो गई थी, तो हमारा 3-4 घंटे ज़ाया हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. लेकिन हम थोड़ा बहुत फिर भी आपको दिखाते हैं शाम तक जो भी हम देखें. तो देखते रहिए.